Hey everyone, Seth from Moose Run Farm here. Well, tonight's the night. It's supposed to go down into the 20s, so it's time to get our wood boiler started for the year. This is a HeatMaster G200 wood boiler that was built in 2019, and it's done great for us. We'll talk more about it in another video, but for tonight, let's just get the thing started. So I have already gone through it and made sure that all the ash is cleaned out of the top of the firebox and all the air passages are clean. This one in particular is pretty important, but it's all set, it's good to go. I'm gonna light this and burn it off. This is just a bunch of paper and some twine from the year that's just accumulated in here. So I'm gonna get that out of here and then we'll get going. This was treated baling twine, so basically has something similar to kerosene on it. So it burns pretty good. So the most important thing to remember when you're starting this type of wood boiler is that they actually work by drawing air through the air box in the front, through that slit in the bottom of the firebox. And the air is drawn using a blower motor in the back of the boiler. And it works almost like a turbo on a diesel, where it sucks the exhaust gases out, and by doing so, it draws fresh air in. The reason that's important is you want to build your fire upside down with larger wood towards the bottom around that slit in the bottom of the firebox, and then medium wood on top of that, and your kindling on top of that wrapped in paper. Okay, so now we turn it on. We're gonna hit the cold start override. Basically, we'll keep the fan running. And we make sure our bypass door is closed. Get the paper started with the torch, and I leave this door cracked for the first 10 or so minutes. Now we wait a couple minutes. It's about 10 minutes later. Let's check and see how we're doing. Definitely need a little more wood. All right, it's been another few minutes. Let's see how we're doing. So at this point you can see that the core of the wood is on fire and it's really hot, and there's wood still above it. So we're good to shut this door completely now. We've got the fire started, water temperature's coming up, and we'll check on it in a couple hours. Thanks for following along, guys.